Alright guys, I'm in the showroom because it's freezing outside. It snowed and then there's ice. So I wanted to stay extra warm and show you this nice and pretty lit up 341RD Outback travel trailer. This camper actually weighs a little over 8,200 pounds. So if you have any questions about if your vehicle is able to tow it, just leave a comment down below and we're more than happy to help you with that. So I'm going to show you some stuff on the outside first. So let's go to the very front. So you have your powered tongue jack at the front. You have this really cool accent lighting. And you also have the industry's best 3-year structural warranty. You also have some storage at the front, and you have this big metal drawer. So if you have heavier items, you don't have to crawl in there to receive it. You can just pull it out. Very user-friendly, and you have a light, so you're able to, get to this at night if you need to. You do have an awning that stretches all the way to your slide, and there is one camping slide on your camp side, but you have shade if you need it. You also have your outdoor speakers. And at your entrance, you have your solid steps. These are great, really sturdy. Plus, you have your big helper handle. And then at the very back, since you have your ladder, you have a fully accessible roof. So it's great for keeping up on maintenance with your camper. And you are also prepped for a rear view camera. So let's go ahead and look on the inside. So let's start with the very front. And one thing I want to point out that I love about the Outback, it is pet friendly. So there is absolutely no carpet in this unit. So it makes for really easy cleanup to sweep and vacuum up all the pet hair. It's just a really nice feature that they have. So you have your king size bed in the master bedroom at the very front. Storage is underneath, and I believe, yep, you have a pet kennel built underneath your bed as well. It's a part of their pet-friendly feature. You do have end tables on both sides, plus you have some reading lights and then extra storage up above with mirrors built into it. Makes it really stylish. And then you have your closet, and it does stretch all the way to the end, so it's one big open space. You have your built-in clothes rack, plus an additional shelf. And this is the only type of carpet that is in here, which is, I don't know if you consider that part of the floor, but it's up on the platform, so I still don't consider it. To the right, we have an extra closet space, or it's also where your washer and dryer prep is at, but you can just use it for additional storage if you would like. Right across, you have this humongous dresser, 2 sets of drawers on each side, plus you have this countertop space. You can put a TV right here. I've seen people do that, or you can hang one up because you are prepped for an LCD mounting bracket. All across are blackout curtains, so these are really nice. They have the roll-up shades, but if you want to black out some of the heat, you can just pull those down. You do have access to the bathroom from your master bed, but I'm going to go ahead and show you from the hallway. So you have your porcelain foot flush toilet here in the corner. You have a lot of extra storage space for your towels and washcloths. You have your nice rounded shower. And it has that really pretty matte black finish. You also have your skylight. Right next to your bedroom door entrance is your sink. You also have this plug-in right here if you want to plug in your electric toothbrush, hair straightener, anything like that. Storage below and above in your medicine cabinet. And before I forget, I always try to mention it, you have your vent up above your toilet. And then coming out here into our eating and entertainment space, what I love about the dining room table is you have your bench on one side and then kind of the sofa bench on the other. So you're able to scoot this in and have extra walking space if you need it, if you aren't using the dining room table. And before I forget, the price for this unit is $43,375. Kind of right next to our hallway, you have your kitchen. So it's kind of in the corner, so you have this extra walking space, but really pretty white countertops. And they also mimic the subway style tile, kind of a mouthful, across from your sink. You also have your stainless steel open sink with your spray nozzle. Storage all below. And then looking up above, you got your microwave, built-in wine rack, which is really cool. And then you have a couple cabinets on either side. And like I said before, blackout curtains all across. And then as you walk into your living room, you kind of walk by your stove and your fridge. So you have your 3 burner top stove with a glass range cover. So when you aren't using it, you can fold it down and use this as additional countertop space. But then when you're ready to use your stove, you just fold it up like so, and you prevent grease from splashing all over your really pretty walls. There's your oven. And really cool accent lighting on your knobs. Extra storage right here. It's actually a spice rack. And another cabinet up above. Then you have your fridge. It's a really good size. And then I'll show you the freezer. Extra living room storage space to the left of your fridge. And then into the living room area, so you have your sleeper sofa on both sides. So these do fold out and you can sleep a couple people, a couple kids, friends, grandparents, parents. And then you have your theater reclining seats right across from your entertainment center. So you have your fireplace down at the bottom that does emit heat, and it's also electric, so you don't have to use up your propane. It also makes it feel extra homey in here. Then you have some storage on either side, put some DVDs in there, decorations, blankets, pillows, stuff like that. Then your Bluetooth speaker system is just above there. So that's where you access your outdoor speakers as well as your indoor. Swivel TV, and even more storage up above. So that is it for this Outback, you guys. Let us know what you think about it.